Hi guys, it's Justin from K-Hair Factory again. Today I will help you guys go through things you need to know before buying real hair extensions. Let's get started with our intro. First, let's take a look at the definitions of real hair extensions. Real hair extension is a concept that is no longer strange to those who learn and use hair extensions. There are many definitions of real hair extension, but the main characteristic of this hair type can be summarized as real hair extension made from real hair or human hair. But whatever you call it, real hair extension must be 100% real human hair, not mixed with any other materials. Moving on to all types of real hair extensions. Real hair extensions are divided into three main product lines: virgin hair, remy hair, and non-remy hair. The most premium segment of real hair extension is virgin hair. Virgin hair is defined as hair that has never been chemically treated in any form, including dyeing, bleaching, or perming. This is the reason why it is the highest price in the product lines of real hair extensions. The next type is remy hair. Remy hair is sometimes advertised as virgin hair, but this kind of real hair extensions has actually been chemically processed. A weakness of this real hair extension is it comes from many donors, sometimes even several. Non-remy hair is the cheapest line in the real hair extensions. A wide range of institutions, including jails and hospitals, due to mixture of varieties, hair kind, the quality of the hair collected in this manner cannot be assured. Although they have the common features of being 100% real human hair, depending on different type of real hair extension, they have their own properties. Based on your needs, consider carefully before finding the real hair extensions. Now, let's distinguish real hair extension with other hair types. Currently, on the market of hair extension, there are three main types of hair: real hair extension, synthetic hair, and mixed hair. First is synthetic hair. It's the cheapest type of hair, made entirely of synthetic fiber. These products are diverse in design and color, but the lifespan is usually short and cannot be affected like pressing, dyeing, or bleaching. Second is mixed hair. It is made from 50 to 70 real hair extension, but mixed with 30 to 50% synthetic fiber to reduce production cost. Although these products look quite similar to real hair, when dyeing or bleach, the synthetic fiber will not change color. Mixed hair will cost more than synthetic hair. If you are still wondering how to distinguish real hair extension, synthetic hair, and mixed hair, the easiest way is to burn or bleaching them. Fire can easily burn real hair extension, but will not completely burn synthetic hair or mixed hair. In addition, the scents of real hair extension, when burned, will more similar to the smell of real hair, while the other two types will have a strong plastic smell. And that is all things you should know before buying real hair extension. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment below this video or message me via this WhatsApp. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Justin, and I will be back for more videos on K-Hair Factory, Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.